Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope everyone is well. Today I'll show you the idea of writing a very cute letter. It's very simple and very easy to see. Hope you all like it. So stay tuned.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go. On we'll go.
So yeah, that's the final look. Hope you all enjoyed this. You will also try this at home. I always try my best. I can do better in the coming days if you all stay with me. We will see you again in the next video with a new drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get my next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.